The author of Politic Among National His. Right option is Mongethieu. Rise and Fall of Great Power is the work of right option Fuel Candy. Who is the author of Tayaful Philosophy? Right option Al-Ghazali. Who is the author of Restriction of Religious Thought in Islam? Right option Allama Iqbal. Who is the author of book name Alchemist? Right option Paulo Coelho. Who wrote the book name Fall of Muslim? Right option Syed Ahmad Akbar Abadi. The Indus Saga and Making of Pakistan book is written by right option Itizaz Hassan. Hunter for Hunter book is written by which of the following author? Right option Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Who is the writer of book name How to Avoid Climate Disaster? Right option Bill Gates. Humayun Nama was written by right option Gulbuddin Begum. The book Friend is Not Master was written by right option General Ayub Khan. Who wrote the Indus Saga and Making of Pakistan? Right option is Itizaz Hassan. Who wrote the book If I Am Assassinated? Right option Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The book The Song of Blood and Sword is written by right option Fatima Bhutto. Who is the author of the book Brief Answer to Big Question? Right option Stephen Hawking. Al-Faruqi and Al-Ghazali are written by right option Shabli Numani. The book Higher Than Hope, the biography of Nelson Mandela is written by right option Fatima Mir. The epic poem Shahnama was written by right option Pardesi. Who is the author of 1984? Right option George Orwell. Pakistan, A Modern History is written by right option is Len Talbot. The author of novel The Bluest Eye is right option Toni Morrison. Which of the following is the author of the book We Are Displaced? Right option is Malala Yousafzai. Myth of Independence written by right option is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Mein Kampf, My Fight is a book written by right option is Adolf Hitler. Who reviewed the famous book The Indian Mussalmans in 1872? Right option is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Book The Better for Pakistan is written by CSS 2021. Right option is Sujad Nawaz.